Hey everyone, today I'm going to show how to account for government grants under IAS 20. So this is helpful because some businesses receive support from the government like cash grants or help with buying assets. So IAS 20 explains when to record these grants and how to present them in the financial statements. So first, a company should only recognize the grant when there is a reasonable assurance so that it will meet the conditions and that the grant will be received. Next, identify the type of grant. If it is related to income, record it in profit or loss over the same period as the related expenses. If it is related to an asset like equipment, the grant can be shown as deferred income or deducted for the cost of the asset. So the company should also disclose the accounting policy used, the amount of grant recognized, and any conditions that still need to be completed. So overall, IAS 20 is about recording government grants at the right time and matching them with the related costs or assets. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.